Hey guys, this is Brad with Main Stage Music, and we just got a really cool new product in from Yamaha that we've been waiting for since the NAMM show. These were released at the Winter NAMM. It is the brand new Sonogenic Keytar by Yamaha. And what we're going to do is an unboxing video. We just pulled these off the truck from UPS, and I had to take a look online, and no one's done an unboxing video yet. So we're going to open it just like you were receiving it for the first time and whatever. And again, these are brand new, so nobody's really had one to play with yet. So let's take a look. First of all, just to give you a quick overview on this, what you have is an old school Keytar. It has mini keys and a handle with some mod wheels. It has the ability to Bluetooth to your phone and do all sorts of neat things. There's no way I could cover all that stuff in a simple video. So we're just gonna, I want to hear the sounds because it's Yamaha and the stuff's great. So let's try the red one. They come in red and black, as you can see. And, you know, black is classic, but dude, you know they're going for the 80s vibe, so you gotta go with something a little louder. So let's check the red one out. All right, so here we go. Now, this guy right here has the mini keys from what we understand. So think of like a micro Korg, or if you've played the little montage models by Yamaha. All right, so inside here, it looks like there is a strap, guitar strap, or Keytar strap, sorry. You have the power supply, which are usually sold separately when you're talking about the small portable keyboards. This is a MIDI in-out and to micro MIDI adapter. So that's pretty cool. I know that it has all the MIDI connections for hooking it up to your laptop or sequencer studio setup. And then obviously there is, well, here's the unit. There is a manual, obviously, and on a little auxiliary 1/8 inch stereo cable. One neat feature that I was reading about on this is that you can hook this into your phone or mini MP3 player or whatever, trigger some backing tracks, plug it in to the audio in, and that way you can get some sounds to jam along with. Okay, so that's pretty much what's in the box. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing. Now, this unit will run on an included power supply, but that would be kind of irritating if you always had to be next to power. So you can also run it off of AA batteries. Well, I can tell you it has got a nice sturdy feel to it. Is this left-handed or right-handed? I guess you could play it both ways. Whatever. You got the battery port back here. So let's use the AA battery thing. Okay, so let's pop this open. And it takes 6 batteries. Oh, look, there's 6 batteries right there. Man, how convenient. So let's pop these bad boys in and see if we get some sound. Now, this also has a built-in speaker. So let's hear what that sounds like. By the way, we're recording this video just using a phone, but also using a Shure MV microphone. It just plugs right into your phone. It gives you better audio than just a cell phone video. So if you guys are wondering what we use for recording these quick videos. Batteries are plugged in. Let's turn this thing on. I'm learning, so please don't... power. And let's look at the outputs here. You've got an auxiliary in, which we talked about. That's where that cable, you could hook jam tracks or whatever. And then line out. So this would hook to your amplifier. And then this is a volume control. This control says effect control. You have different effects switch here, and they say filter, dynamics, reverb, chorus, and other. And then this says select. Alright, so let's turn it on. Got a nice little LCD display right here. And then it says right on there, setting 001 saw lead. Okay, that's actually pretty good sound. Let's turn the, that's all the way up. Volume, I know you guys can't hear that, so I thought of that already. let's plug it in. Okay, also, it's not a Keytar if you're not playing it, so, or don't have it strapped over your shoulder. So I don't want to open up the included cables and whatnot, so I just have this old strap laying here. Let's see how cool I look with this. I'd say I look 40% cool. Yeah? No? Okay. I don't pretend to be some sort of keyboard rock star. Okay, so here on the handle, you've got a transpose feature. That means obviously bringing the key up and down. So let's see what that does. Oh, that's hip. Then you have an octave right next to it. So that's a pretty hip little feature. Now here, these are transport controls. So this says play. Okay, well, no. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so oh, hang on a second. Okay, so I turned off the little. So it obviously has some onboard rhythms here, and I know you can't see it, but the display shows what key is going on here. So that particular thing, it shows that little feature there. So that's kind of a neat thing. There's also a button here that says Jam, and you can choose the different types of jam track that you go with. You have a sustain function. Oh, that's kind of hip. And then obviously you saw me horsing around with this. You got the pitch wheel. And modulation. Now this says function right here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it says tuning, EQ type, modulation, pitch bend, portamento. Okay, so this is like your global setting on a keyboard. So you can get, you have your MIDI selection, MIDI channels, turning your local on and off, what kind of batteries it's got. So that's pretty cool. And then this says exit, so I can just exit from that. Okay, so far I have gone through all these buttons. The one thing I'm not seeing yet is changing the different sounds, and I think that's what this is. So let's just double check. Yep. Oh, there you go. Very hip little unit here. Let's try some of these effects. So, like I mentioned earlier, you got some different effects here, and I know we got to get moving, so check this out. Pretty hip. Guys, come check out the new Yamaha Keytar Sonogenic. It's only $2.99. Mainstage Music has them in stock. See you next time.